So welcome students. In this question you are asked to solve this differential equation. So y dx plus x square y plus x dy is equal to 0. So one of the things that you can do is you get y dx and you see an x dy term here. X dy is equal to, you can send x square y dy onto that side. X square y dy, if you send onto that side, it becomes minus x square y dy. So you have an x dy plus y dx here. X dy plus y dx. So next what I do is, I'll divide both sides with x square y square. So y dx plus x dy by x square y square is equal to minus dy by y. So this looks like a familiar expression. In the topic of exact differential equation, you'll be asked to remember some standard expressions. So y dx plus x dy by x square y square is nothing but d of minus 1 by xy. Is the differential of minus 1 by xy is equal to minus, if I integrate this on both sides, integration of d of minus 1 by xy is equal to integration of minus dy by y. This implies if you integrate this on both sides, this d gets cancelled. You get minus 1 by xy is equal to minus ln y plus c. So this implies ln y minus 1 by xy is equal to c. So this will be the solution of this differential equation. Thank you.